wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 9 best dermatoscopes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. It's probably not ideal for professional use, but the Firefly De300 can be an effective tool for anyone wanting to keep tabs on their skin at home. Its software lets you store, examine and measure images, so you can track the status of your moles over time. It comes with multi-layer glass lenses and an automatic white balance, but its low resolution impairs its magnification. At number 8, the Dermalite 3 DL3N is simple to operate thanks to its ability to switch between polarization modes by simply pressing the power button. It's a good thing it's easy to use because the manufacturer doesn't provide much in the way of instructions. It's very bright with its 28 LEDs and is made of recyclable aluminum. However, it is on the heavy side. Coming in at number 7 on our list. If you have a history of skin cancer and an iPhone 6, the MOL Scope Home User Edition is worth your investment. Its companion app lets you pinpoint the exact spots your problem areas are located, allowing you to track their change or growth over time. This one can connect you with a dermatologist and provides monthly checkup reminders, but it's got no polarization settings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Dermatoscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, as the name suggests, the Skire Smartphone SK3 attaches to your cell phone to give you powerful magnification on the go. It's compatible with both Android and iOS platforms, so you can use it with your iPad or other favorite tablet as well. No app is required, and it's equipped with a USB charging port. However, it struggles at higher magnifications. Moving up our list to number 5. There's nothing worse than putting your instrument in your pocket and forgetting to turn it off, only to find that it's dead when you need it later. The Dermalite DL200 Hybrid uses an automatic shut-off function to prevent this, as well as boasting a long battery life. The body is easy to clean, and it includes a retractable spacer mechanism, but it is on the expensive side. At number 4, the tiny Dermalite Carbon microscope can easily be stashed in the pocket of your lab coat without weighing you down as you make your rounds. Even so, it packs an impressive 16 polarized LEDs, more than enough to light up any affected skin. It features a belt pouch, a 15mm triplet lens, and easy-to-use switches. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Dermalite DL100 is lightweight and compact, allowing you to navigate deftly around any area that needs inspecting. The battery is rechargeable, saving you from having to spend money on replacements every few weeks or so. This one provides clear views of vascular structures and is backed by a 10-year warranty. Its white light boosts image quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Dermatoscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Dermalite DL1 enables you to keep your hands free while you're examining a patient, as it can clip on your shirt. It also attaches to a wide variety of smartphones in case you need to snap a few photographs for review or consultation later. It's a little larger than a stick of gum and can recharge via your computer. Its faceplate incorporates a 10mm scale. And taking the top spot on our list, the Dermalite DL4 sports an ergonomic aluminum design that's comfortable enough for all-day use, making it a smart choice for the busy dermatologist. It features Pigment Boost Plus, which gives you 2 levels of color spectrum for a better look at worrisome spots. It offers dual brightness settings, a large field of view, and instant on-off control. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Dermatoscopes, or simply click beneath this video.